Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create the wheel zoom in transition effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First scroll to the end of the clip, then move back about 50 frames by holding Shift and pressing page up 5 times. Now drag your second clip below it so the two clips overlap by 50 frames, and make sure the wheel layer is on top. Now select the clip with the wheel and split it into 2 parts. The right section will be used for the transition. To stay organized, rename this layer to wheel and I will change the label color to something different, for example red. Next we need to mask out the wheel. You can do this using either the Mocha AE plugin or the Roto Brush tool. Since many of you may not have Mocha installed, I'll use the Roto Brush tool so you can follow along with me. Select the Roto Brush tool and make sure the preview quality is set to full. Double-click the wheel layer to start rotoscoping. Carefully rotoscope the wheel as smoothly as possible. Once you're done, click the freeze button and wait for the analysis to finish. After it's complete, close the rotoscoping window. Now duplicate the wheel layer and rename the top one to car body. With the Roto Brush tool still selected, double-click the car body layer. Unfreeze the rotoscoping and click Invert Foreground/Background. This will invert the selection, so instead of the wheel, everything except the wheel is selected. Click the freeze button again and wait for the analysis to complete. While the video is being analyzed, I want to mention 16am film shake presets, created for speed ramp edits, cinematic edits, and more. Just drag and drop the presets, no plugins or extra installation required. Works seamlessly with Adobe After Effects on both Windows and Mac. Once the freezing is complete, close the rotoscoping window. Now temporarily turn off the wheel layer. Next create a new camera layer. Set the camera type to 2-node camera and choose the 35mm preset, then click OK. Trim the camera layer so it matches the length of the car body and wheel layers. Now enable 3D on both the car body and wheel layers. Move to the beginning of the camera layer, press A to reveal the point of interest, then hold Shift and press P to reveal the position property as well. Click both stopwatch icons to add keyframes. Then move to the end of the camera layer, select the dolly cursor tool, and start zooming into the wheel area until the car body is completely out of frame. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor, right-click, choose Edit Speed Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. I'll smooth the curve a bit more at the beginning and preview the video once again. Now the zoom feels much smoother. Turn the wheel layer back on and animate it as well. Move the timeline to somewhere in the middle of the wheel layer and press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property. Click the position stopwatch icon to add a keyframe, then move to the end of the layer. Adjust the Y position up or down, it doesn't matter, just set it the way you like. Select both position keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Then open the graph editor again and create another smooth curve. Let's quickly preview the video. And here we go, the zoom in transition is done. Just make sure to enable motion blur on both the car body and wheel layers to add natural blur to the movement, making the animation feel smoother and more realistic, especially during fast motion. To make the effect feel complete, I'll add a shake effect from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below, and you can also check out my shake tutorials on the channel. Let's quickly preview the final result, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.